Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing in to the Nintendo account that holds the subscription. This is crucial because subscriptions are tied to the account, not the console. Once signed in, make sure you can receive two-step verification codes if enabled, since you may be prompted. On the Switch, go to System Settings, then Users, and select your user profile. On the web, open Accounts. Nintendo, calm and choose Sign In. Now that you're authenticated, proceed to manage your subscriptions. Once you're in the account area, navigate to Subscriptions or Nintendo Switch Online, depending on the interface. On the Switch, open the Nintendo eShop, select your account icon in the upper right, then Nintendo Switch Online to view active plans. On the web, go to your account settings, then Subscriptions or Services, and locate the active plan. Review billing cycle and remaining days, because canceling stops automatic renewal, but you must confirm the cancellation when prompted. Read the confirmation so you know the subscription end date and whether any refund applies. After confirming, verify the status in subscriptions to ensure automatic renewal is off. If you were charged recently or the cancellation option is missing, sign out and back in, check for multiple linked accounts, and confirm payment method details. Then contact Nintendo support if necessary. Remember, you can re-enable the subscription before the end date to keep remaining time intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.